My nose is... It's driving me crazy today, but I don't want to make a lot of noise. I try. I gotta try my best to hold back. Gotta hold it back, no matter what. I really hate stifling. It's so unsatisfying. So unsatisfying. But if I let them out, they'll hear me. But what? Tickle keeps coming back stronger. I don't think I can hold. I don't think I can hold this one back. I'm sorry. It's too strong. Oh, fuck. I think I'm